Where the fuck did you take us, man?
Bro, I had to go drop off the body over here.
Yeah, right.
Hey, keep it on the DL, dog. Yo, what the fuck are you?
Oh shit, Brooklyn's with us. What's up, man?
Dog? How's everything?
Brooklyn's
Everything's
in the house.
But serious, we were just in Miami.
Dog, I don't know, man. You make a left turn or right turn and you're fucked out here, dog.
God damn.
Look at this shit. Damn, dog.
We're in Mars, bro.
Bro, fucking from another planet, kid. So what's the house, man?
Not shit. We were just,
Yeah, I know.
we were just at the office.
And now we're fucking here in the middle of nowhere. You telling those stupid fucking stories and we got caught up in shit.
Yeah, but who would have known you would have taken us out here? This is fucked up.
It was so intriguing, man. I got caught up.
This is crazy.
This is where you do construction, kid?
No, this is where we pick up girls.
Yeah, right.
I mean, there isn't a girl within probably 500 miles of this
Oh
place.
shit. Oh shit. This motherfucker wanna fucking cut me off and shit. God damn. We're in nowhere. I almost got into a car accident, dog. What the fuck? Yo,
You know what he's thinking right now? He's
Like,
thinking,
yo.
there's no way anyone's behind me.
I know, dog.
Like who's out here just going for a stroll?
God damn, dog.
No, that's cool.
So it's fucking the deal, man.
Not shit, man.
Well, look, I see the highway, dog, so I'm gonna catch that shit or something.
Yeah, let's
Fuck
get the
outta
fuck
here.
out of here, man. Holy shit, there's cows out here. Slow down. There's even cows out here, man.
Damn, dog. Are we still in Miami, bro, or what? Fuck. Go fucking.
No, we're in like Central Florida.
Go do some cow tipping, motherfucker. I know you do that shit in Ohio or wherever.
It's Iowa,
Oh,
motherfucker.
yeah. Right, fuck.
But let me tell you something. There is no such thing. You guys watch too much TV.
No,
You guys
bro.
are retarded.
I just watched that movie,
The Mafia Boy.
Mafia Boy. Right?
That shit doesn't fucking work, man.
Why? You tried it? I know you tried it.
I have tried it.
I know you tried it.
I have tried it. It doesn't work.
You're supposed to put your shoulder into it.
Too many movies, man. How the fuck did we get out? How did we get out of here?
Oh, no.
That's actually not a bad place to do a shoot, like for a different site.
Like what?
I don't know. We could do like a fucking.
Girls from Mars or some
Yeah.
shit. Oh, man. If you could put like that shit where they can
LA,
float.
what is it? The girls, LA working girls?
Fuck,
Something like that.
some shit like that. Or construction worker girl.
Yeah, working LA. Working Latina.
Fuck.
Well, where are we though? We're probably like 20 miles from the beach or something like that, huh?
20 miles from everything.
Yeah.
Pretty much,
Next time we
man.
can catch something, come up this road though.
Maybe we can hit a mall or something.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
This is a nice area though.
You know,
It's peaceful.
well, you've been driving this fucking thing for what? 3 fucking years. I've been on this motherfucker. Why can't we
Okay.
put a GPS on this bitch? Yo,
You know what? Good idea.
Oh,
Look at this shit.
that motherfucker!
Yeah, for a minute.
I can do donuts.
It's gonna be a long ass day, isn't it?
Oh,
God
shit.
damn it.
Let me do a donut. One more time.
Okay, alright, man. This is a lot of
Alright.
fun. I'm telling you, bro, the mall's not where I want to be.
That's where he's by the fucking preppy clothes, man.
Great
That's why you don't go into the
age.
mall.
Like,
I mean, how many fucking shorts like that do you have, bro?
Yeah.
I mean, seriously.
I only wear khakis. Khaki shorts.
Bro, fuck, man, and sandals. you got sandals on right now. Oh, fuck.
No.
Check out these boats.
Any good ones?
Oh, no, man. Don't you have a boat?
Yeah.
What you got?
Go straight. I got a serious boat.
Serious boat?
Yeah, these boats are.
Is that baby boats?
Yeah. A pontoon boat? Are you kidding me? That's an Iowa boat.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Party boat, as long as there's no waves and shit. Yeah, man. Look at this shit.
Check out the boats.
Holy shit, look at that. Fucking shark. Look at this girl. Hey, what's up? What are you doing?
I'm sitting here with my dad.
What's your dad doing?
He works.
Another fucking dad. How old are you? Yes. She's actually 21. Hey, we're 21 too. No, you don't have to be scared of us. We're just driving around, checking out the area. Do you live around here?
We're not too far from here.
Not too far? That shark looks scary, don't you think?
Just a little bit.
Looks like it's gonna eat you. Can you fit in its mouth? Show us.
Probably not.
Let me see, come on. I wanna see if you can fit in there. Oh my
I
god.
don't think so. It's too
Exactly.
Just try it once.
big. I'll fall over.
Just try it. Get in there. It won't fall.
No, I can't fit.
Really? What's your name again?
I'm teasing.
TC.
What's your
My name is Preston. This is
Nice to
Brooklyn.
meet you.
This is Big Lou.
Hi.
You're very pretty.
Thank you.
So your dad works here?
Yeah.
Like cash register or something like that?
No, he does a lot of work on the boats.
Oh, cool.
So I'm just out here visiting and saying hi.
Yeah. So, well, we're gonna go eat lunch here in a second, but we want to do a little bit more filming, and we wanted to know if you want to be maybe involved in it a little bit. You can. It's cool. We actually pay a little bit. It's like $100 though. That's all it is.
Not right now.
Really? Maybe later?
Maybe later.
No, now. How about right now? Come on, we're doing that.
How about now? Come on, hang out with us for just 10 minutes. When's your dad gonna be done?
It's about an hour, I think, something like that.
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck
plenty
it.
of time.
Let's go. He doesn't mind. You're 21. You're an adult.
As long as I'm back here on time.
Okay, sweet. Let's go. Nice.
Yeah. That's Rizai.
TC, huh?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Brooklyn. Denzel.
Yeah, we're